How to report a post on Reddit easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to report a post on Reddit easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to reddit.com and choose the post that you want to report. Okay, I'm gonna choose for example this one. Of course I'm not gonna report it, I'm just gonna show you how. Now all what you have to do is go to those three dots right here below the post and click report right here. Now choose the reason why you are reporting this, for example copyright violation, and click next and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.